282 shaver. Now I've had this shaver for 20 years, perhaps longer, and it works fine on the mains, but the battery doesn't hold a charge at all. So as you can see, I've already had it open, so we're going to open this up again with our T8 Torx screw. Prise that open, and I've already ordered a battery and had one delivered. So I've prized this off. I couldn't find any information about this, so the battery I ordered is the same size, and the most common voltage for this is a 1.2, so I'm hoping that works. So the first thing I have to do is to desolder these battery prongs here. So we'll carefully remove that circuit board. There is a small clip just here, I think. We can prise this out. Take this off. Prise this out. Go get rid of that. Now, you can see we need to take these two off, which are these two pads here and here. So I've got my solder, I've got my soldering iron set to 370. We'll see if we can take that off. Might put a bit of fresh solder on just to help it see how it goes. Now I'm assuming the fact that this is coming off quite easily means that it's old leaded solder before the companies had to move to lead free. Because that is melting very easily. See if I can pry that up. I'm just going to push out, pull out. Nope. Nope. Snip that. Yep. That's one. And two. Okay, right. So we've got them out. See if I can clean that little hole up a little bit. Some sort of right, This is a replacement battery. So, camera thread. Making sure we've got the right polarity. Plus here. Plus and plus on the battery. Plus. Let's just check to see if there's any voltage in there. See that voltage here? Yeah. Oh. Nothing. No voltage in that battery at all. That can't be right, surely. Ah, my leads come out. Try that again. Right, which side's plus? Yeah, 1.2. And if I cross them over, I should go a negative 1.2. Yeah, so this side's definitely plus, and it's got 1.2 in it. Right. Am I going to be lucky? That one's in. There's a little bit of solder in that one, so we'll just have to see if we can clear that out. Try that. Will that go in there? Yes, it will. Right. Plus. Plus. That's it. Now these are a little bit too long. I'll snip it down. There's two. Let's see if we can get them soldered down. Okay. Right, now let's put this tape on that. On the new battery. And hopefully that's going to be a good one. Right. Let's see if I can put this back in here. decided, there we go. Well, we know that it's working because I've left the switch on and it started up. So I decided to buy a new battery because the battery was, let's see if I can bring this up. The battery was there. Order total £8.95. And a new replacement charger was about £20 to £25. So I figured it was a good enough reason. Save a bit of cash and save something going to the landfill. That didn't need to go to the landfill. Just swap that over. So I've spent £9 on a battery. And I get to use me that's it. Right, so there we go. Excellent. Well, I'm very pleased with that. That saved us Brian a new shaver, saved us a bit of cash. Job's a good one. I'm going to charge that up before I use it properly, and that's it. Quite simple. So if you've got an old razor, an old shaver that doesn't charge up, £9 for a replacement battery, bit of soldering, job's done. How long's that taken? 10 minutes, if that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.